Hello class, my name's Eric McFerrin. I am the instructor for this course, so get used to this face. And this is our online course called The Earth Revealed. And we're going to talk really broadly about the Earth system sciences, like rock types. I'm sure you're excited to get to see some rocks. But we're also going to talk about the Earth's interior, mountain building, volcanoes, how the atmosphere and weather shape the surface of the planet, and really get into the science of that. And that is also another thing that we do want to try and impress upon any of our students, is that science can be useful for anyone, even if they're not studying science for their career. Science can be a very useful thing to get your head around just as a citizen of the planet, right? And this course is going to be based primarily on videos. It's going to be kind of like the bulk of the work, and there'll be study sheets and things like that for you to help guide you through those videos and pick out the most important details. But each week is going to have a very similar format, and that's one thing that this course will follow is a very regimented sort of hopefully clearly defined pattern. And so each week you're going to watch a couple of videos, you're going to do some reading, there's going to be assignments like homework. It's kind of, some assignments sort of blend homework with some quizzes. And for those of you who are taking this course for 4 credits, there's also the lab section. And it should be set up such that if you are not taking the labs, you shouldn't see them on the site at all. So it'll hopefully clear up some confusion there. And then towards the end of the term, you'll be going on a field trip that you do by yourself. So there's no requirement for you to be on campus at all. If you don't want to interact with other people at all, that is a possibility. But I will continue to record some of these videos to help you here and there throughout the course. All right, so it should be fun.